So this is the Xiaomi Quartz watch with Bluetooth functionality. That's quite an unusual combination, and let's unbox this thing and see what's inside. So first, looking at the actual box itself, it's very simple. On the front, you have the watch. There's nothing on the sides except for a couple of logos. And on the back here, you have a couple of specifications, and pretty much everything here is in Chinese. This thing does require a CR2032 battery to function, and oh, that's very nice actually. So, put that aside, that's actually an exact here. Look at that. It's an exact fit. So what you see in the box is a 1-to-1, size ratio to the actual watch itself. That's pretty cool. Put that aside. What else we have inside the box here? I don't think there's going to be much else except for the watch itself. So I tried to take this thing out, but there's literally nothing else in this box except for the smartwatch. This is probably the simplest unboxing I've ever seen. There's literally just the watch and nothing else in here. So I've spent like the past minute trying to open this to see if there's anything else in there. There's nothing here, but I am the biggest idiot in the world because the rest of the stuff is actually in here. So that's where it is. That's where pretty much what you need, like the rest of the stuff. So this is the first time I've ever been fooled by a box. So we'll see what we have inside. I wonder if there's already a battery inside. I hope there is. And this is the manual itself. It's all in Chinese. I'll read it, I'll test it, and I'll let you know what's going on. Let's put this stuff aside and look at the watch itself. All right, let's go for a quick walkthrough through the actual watch itself. Here we have tempered glass, and it's I don't know how to say it nicely. It bulges out. It curves out. That's a nicer way of putting it instead of saying it bulges out. I think it looks like a very nice smartwatch. It looks quite classy. Again, I'm not like the authority on classiness. I know a lot about smartphones and technology, but not about fashion. So why don't you guys comment down below, tell me if this is actually a nice looking smartwatch, because I can't tell. I think it looks nice, but I'm not sure if it's actually a classy, fashionable piece of, accessory. So as you can see here, we have the Mijia logo. In there we have your two dials, and here we have a little stopwatch timer as well. And the strap here is a material I've never felt before. Apparently it's Italian leather, which again goes to show you how unknowledgeable I am about fashion, because I don't even know what Italian leather feels like, unless it's just a marketing term for regular leather. It feels okay. To me, it feels a little bit oily. I don't like it. I would much rather have my regular rubber straps that you see on, like the Apple Watch and stuff like that. But yeah, so the rest of the watch itself, that not the screen at least, it's metal. It feels decent. You have one button here, and on the bottom we have, let me take this out, see what we got. Here we have a couple of words. We have 3 atmosphere water resistant SYBO1, 316L stainless steel, a couple of other things as well. And of course you can take out the straps and replace them over here. So now let's turn the smartwatch on and see what we got. Interesting. I long pressed it and the dial is spinning like crazy. Seems like a common theme in my life. A lot of watches are doing that. So apparently you install the Xiaomi Mijia app. I'm gonna bring that in right now, right here. And then I'm going to add a device. Alright, so I had to switch to the mainland China server, and then now I can add a device and add the Xiaomi Quartz watch. We're gonna pair that, and we're going to press the button to add it. Make sure Bluetooth is on, blah, 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 blah. And we'll add the device. Very nice. Okay, now I literally don't know what else to do with this and the watch. I'm gonna have to continue playing with the smartwatch to see what kind of functions you can get with the smartwatch itself. Okay, so I found the actual app itself, so we're gonna pair it and we're going to see. And now it's setting it to Beijing time, which is wrong, but I'll change that later. Well, actually, you know what? It's fine, because the Mijia Quartz watch it shows the exact same time, because Beijing is 12 hours ahead, so whatever. I'll just leave it for now. Here you can see that there's steps, there's a world clock, there's interval reminder, call reminder, and alarm, and that's actually about it. So there's really not much else. And then there's enough battery power, there's some settings over here, body, device info, hand, calibration for left and right hand, vibration settings, and general settings. And you can check for firmware updates, and there is an update. I will update later. And yeah, honestly, it doesn't look like there's a lot of stuff in the Mijia Quartz smartwatch, so we'll have to see what we got here. So yeah, be sure to hit like and subscribe. Be sure to hit that little notification button to make sure you're notified of any of the latest videos that come out, especially the review for the smartwatch. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.